Let's see what Santa's workshop has brought us today.
Shopkins! Cafe.
More Shopkins. Get all that wrapping paper out of there.
Cafe Queen.
Oh, the Cupcake Cafe Queen.
Have three. It should have had three.
2 cake boxes plus 2, hopefully ultra rare Shopkins.
Hey, we have that machine.
What's on the menu? Fill up your cupcake stand. And then it comes with a shelf.
I want the burger. Not that one.
There it is. Okay, so let's go over the Cupcake Queen Cafe. Here is the cafe from the outside. This is your storefront. If you have other shops to Shopkinville, this is what this would look like. There's a little birthday hat right there. Cupcake sign. Cupcake Queen Cafe. And let's turn it around. Here's the good side of it. It comes with this cool little menu. It has the little happy Shopkins cupcake on it. And we have a display case over here for today's special, which is spaghetti head. And it also comes with these cool cake boxes, which you could use almost like blind bags for your Shopkins. There's a party hat in that one. And this one has a little cupcake. Hello! And this display case has a couple Shopkins in it. They're not cupcakes, they're drinky drink and glittery present. So it comes with that too. And then you have your shelf here where you can line up some more Shopkins. We've got a cherry pie and a birthday cupcake. And here's another little sign or menu of things that you can order. Looks like a couple little candies, cupcakes. And here's the big cupcake stand where you can fill this up with all of your baked goods. Right now we have an apricot, some bread, a mushroom, and a little squishy thingy. So pretty cool addition to Shopkinville. Comes with lots of accessories. It also comes with a table and chairs, which we're not showing right now because we can't find them. So hope you enjoyed this video and got a good look at the Cupcake Queen Cafe.